Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Mwah! Delicious cooking. Today I'm going to actually show you how to make chicken stock, with some amazing ingredients. I've made stocks in so many different ways, but ultimately you can really make it with whatever you want or whatever you enjoy. So stay tuned and have fun. See you soon. I'm going to turn the oven to about a setting of 7. You can do 6 if you want, but 7. I want to bring this to a quick boil. The chicken goes in. Next is water. You can do about 12 to 16 cups water, that's fine. I'm gonna bring this to a quick boil and then I skim it as fat accumulates. And then as soon as it boils, same process, I'm just gonna reduce the heat, to simmer. And then we'll go ahead and add all the vegetables to it. Okay, so stay tuned. As you can see, it's accumulating fat. So I'm gonna start skimming. It's boiling now, so I'm going to reduce the heat to 3. Level 3 now, and I'm going to skim off excess fat. Now we're going to go ahead and add the vegetables. Onions in, carrots in, leek, okay, celery in, bay leaves, so 2 bay leaves, peppercorns. I'll do 2 teaspoonfuls peppercorns. 1, 2. Thyme, mint leaves, sprigs, so on the stem. Push it down. Tarragon. Finally, rosemary. Very nice. I'm actually going to cover this. I'm going to let it simmer for 2 hours. Okay, so it's 12:27. I'm going to come back around 2:27. All right, see you soon. All right, folks, there you have it. It's done. Chicken stock, prepped over 2 hours. We're going to just go ahead and scoop the veggies out, the chicken carcass out, and then just transport it into a storage container. This is what I'm going to use to pretty much strain that. I'm gonna transfer the stock. You know, obviously we're done removing all the vegetables. I'm gonna transfer that through the cheesecloth, you know, and the mesh. Okay, in the strainer. So that's what I'm gonna do. There you have it, folks. Chicken stock just for you. It's a lot of stock. Okay. We're gonna be using this to cook, you know, a couple of things, so stay tuned. Ciao, ciao.